Hey, this will be a video chart on KATX. I will go over the 60-minute chart on this one, so if the chart looks a little unfamiliar to you, it's just because each one of these candlesticks represents 60 minutes worth of time, so keep that in mind as we go forward. But this chart's been pretty popular over the past few days, unfortunately mainly because of the massive downwards move it had last week. But the good news was today it's looking like it may be bouncing back here. Still more work to be done, but at least you didn't see another big red candle or anything like that. Had a bunch of questions coming in asking, was this the bottom? Is it going to reverse now and all that? So hopefully this video will kind of clear up the questions and get them all knocked out, and that way everybody will have a clear understanding of what's going on from the technical perspective. So real quick, we'll just look at the daily. But like I said, this big candle came down, and then this candle right here represents today's action. Looking at the volume, you can see that volume was very big today, but the good news was it wasn't another huge volume day where you saw the price close down or make even a lower low. It actually gapped up and then held those gains very nicely. So from just looking at today and excluding everything else, it was a very good day. But then when you pull back into the overall context, it should be very clear that there is still work to be done. So back to the 60-minute. The thing that happened today, which was a positive, was we had this candle take shape here. And then, this did require some sort of confirmation. And you got that with this candle, and then basically the rest of the day, meaning this candle not only broke above the high of this right here, which was basically right here at 3 cents, but it was able to hold above it. And then at the end of the day, you can see it did kind of come back down here, but it did hold up as support, and the price bounced up. So the bulls were able to show that there are some buyers down here, and when the bears did try to push it back down, you can see that wick right there. That represents that the bulls did push it back up at the end of the day. So going forward, what do we want to see happen? Well, the key thing, and I don't mean to state the obvious here, but the one aspect, kind of no ands, ifs, buts about it, you don't want to see this low down here fall, which is at 0.0255. This is the lowest it's been in a long time, and if worst case, if the price does come down here, then you'll be looking for a double bottom where the price consolidates and then hopefully comes back up here. And like I said, this would give you a double bottom where you'd have this set of lows and then another set over here. But ideally, you don't even want to see it come all the way back down here. If anything, you want to see it start to uptrend and put in higher lows, which it hopefully will start to do today. So the low going forward is going to be pretty much 3 cents. Like I said, that was the high of this candle right here, and then the low right here was 0.031, so close enough. So ideally, so if we have this low here, and then we have the price kind of pull back here and then bounce up, that would be great because we'd have this set of lows up here, we'd have the next set down here, and then that would give us the ability to draw an uptrend line, and that's what we want to be able to do. So a lot of work to be done, but it did get off to a good start. Not only did it give confirmation to this candle here, it also put in a higher low, and as long as higher lows continue to be put in, then this chance, or the chart's got a chance of recovering. But just to reiterate, it does have quite a bit of work to do, but crazier things have happened. So by no means is it impossible for this to make a recovery, but the mountain is the mountain is big, but got off to a good first step today. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was KATX. Thanks for listening.